Hello students, in this class we are going to discuss about the topic loop concept. In the previous class we discussed about the if-else condition. So what is if-else condition? It is a block of code that will be executed until the specified condition is true. Otherwise else condition contained output will be displayed. So in this class we are going to discuss about the loop concept. Here there are various types of loop concept are used in JavaScript, but this is our basic level. So we need to know about the basic loop concepts, that is while loop and do while loop. First of all, I start to explain from while loop. While loop, it is nothing but it is the block of code will executed repeatedly unless the specified condition became true. So here I provide a basic syntax to write a while loop. So that is while then condition with curly braces. So I provide a small example by using a loop concept, while loop concept. So here I write this code structure first. This is the code. This code initialize the variable I value is 1. So in this while condition, we write the condition is I is greater than or equal to 4, equal to 5. That means the I value is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So then I console log it with square of the I. Then this symbol I double plus, this means the value should be incremented. So here I run this code. The output is shown in that square of 1 is 1. So what is the value of I is first 1. So 1 squared is 1. Then it is incremented, that is represented in I double plus. So squared it, 2 plus 2 is 4, then 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and then 5 square is 25. Our condition is I is greater than or equal to 5, so that this output will be stopped until this code will reach it the 5. So this is a simple program by using a while loop concept. Um, Now we are going to do while loop. Do while loop is nothing but it is the it is a block of code that will be execute at least once the condition is satisfied the parenthesis. So I provide a example syntax for do while condition. So first of all you write the do in the curly braces, then write a while, then other condition. So let me show you some example by using do while loop. Try to write my program. So let count is equal to 0, then now I assume that variable count value is 0. Now I start to write my do while loop condition syntax. What is the syntax? Do curly braces. Inside the curly braces, I console log it with what count. So below that count double plus. In the previous while loop example, I will explain that double plus means it's an increment. So it will increment into 0, 1, 2, 3, and while. So then I write the while with while condition is count is smaller than 5. So say, So here, this do while loop code will explain it. This code, we assume that variable count value as 0. Then I console log count will incremented by the values. So it will increment as 0, 1, 2, 3, and then the while loop is inside that. This while loop denotes the count value is smaller than 5. So we are saying that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So see the output is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Um, this code will stop until it will reach the value that is less than 5, so that this condition is satisfied. So this is a small this is a small program by using the while loop concept. Okay, students, in our next class, we are going to talk about for loop concept. In this for loop concept, it has for loop in and for loop off. So these three types of loops are discussed in our later class. Thank you, students.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!